Hello. Today, the cookie that I'm going to make is my mother's favorite Christmas sugar cookie. And she made it when I was a child, so I'm not sure how old this recipe is, but it says it came from the Chicago Tribune. And it was in my mother's handwriting, but I had copied it off her card. I think my sister has that. So it starts out with 3½ cups of flour, and then it says to cut 1 cup of butter, shortening or butter, into it. So that's what I'm doing now, cutting in the butter. This recipe is a little bit different from other sugar cookies because it does have vanilla, but it also has nutmeg. The original name of this was Mrs. John Lantz Sr.'s Sugar Cookies, and it came out of the Chicago Tribune. And if she made it when I was a child, that's almost 70 years. The recipe is about 70 years old, 60 or 70. And an interesting thing that was written on there, it says for cocoa sugar cookies, add 3 tablespoons of cocoa with the flour. I think she only made that once that I remember. But another note says, they'll mellow and taste of nutmeg the day or so after baking. Okay, we got that cut in. Now, in another bowl, oven's preheated to 375. In another bowl, you beat 2 eggs. And then gradually add, says beat the eggs well, then gradually add sugar, which is 1 cup of sugar. In here, I have a 1/4 cup of milk, and it says to add the vanilla, soda, and nutmeg into the milk. So I need a teaspoon of vanilla, oh, I should actually measure the soda first because it also asks for a teaspoon of soda. And I don't want the teaspoon all wet before I get it in there. Teaspoon of soda. Teaspoon of vanilla. And a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Oof, nutmeg smells wonderful. Nutmeg smells good. And it says stir into the egg and sugar mixture. It says pour all into the flour shortening mixture and stir and knead until it can be handled. Seeing I'm using my mixture, I am going to get the flour into the egg so I can use the mixer to mix it. Start it. Oop, made a little mess. Made a little mess. So now it says to roll out thin. It says small portions, so I basically divided the dough in thirds. So I'm rolling out about a third of the dough at a time. I have a Christmas tree here. I'm going to continue to cut out the dough. I'm going to use the bell and the star, the snowman, and the Christmas tree. And I'll put them onto the pans, and they bake for 6 to 7 minutes at 375. Now the cookies are out of the oven, they're cooled. And I'm going to use the same icing that I used on the gingerbread boys, on my gingerbread boy video. And that's out of this Betty Crocker cookie book. And it's the easy creamy icing with a cup of confectioner's sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla or other flavoring if you want different flavor, and 1.5 teaspoons of cream or a tablespoon of water. And because I have so many to frost, I doubled the frosting. Oh Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. You didn't think I could sing, did you? Stars. I need to thin this a little bit more with some more cream. It's kind of stiff and it's hard to spread. I'll be right back. I don't have any yellow sugar sprinkles. I looked for them at the store, that they didn't have any. They had red and actually it's more like pink and green and the color sprinkles, but no yellow, no other colors. I was limited in my choices. I'm going to use these sprinkles on here. Oh, those are already. Frosty the Snowman. Well, Frosty needs to be white, but not his hat. Let's give him a little red hat. Oops. Let's give this one a little green hat. And we'll give him a little sprinkle hat. We'll have some red bells or pink bells, and then we'll have some sprinkle bells, rainbow sprinkles. okay. More sprinkle ones, I'm thinking. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Here are the finished cookies, the sugar cookies. My battery went out on my camera again and I had just charged it and then it ended my recording earlier. So now I have to finish my video. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and that you enjoyed my videos of my cookies, electric company cookbooks, gas company cookbooks, Betty Crocker. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.